Uh, Welcome back. In this lecture, what we are going to see is PYQs of end of ideology thesis in UPSC PSIR question papers, and we are going to see relevance of it, right? So, end of ideology thesis. So, first question, direct question is there 10 marker, whereby UPSC has asked discuss the end of ideology debate. Very simple, right? Again, very simple question, although a 15 marker, which says write a brief note on end of history thesis, right? Then question is there about examining the debate of end of ideology and define ideology, critically examine end of ideology. Very simple, right? Not really analytical depth has been asked, not really uh, uh, comparative question has been asked. Question has been very simple and very straightforward. So the quality of questions is very easier on the side. But the issue with end of ideology, end of history, clash of civilization is that they have relevance in theory of state, right? They have relevance in post-colonial theory of state. We are going to study people like Nye, then modernization thesis, McDonaldization. All these things come under. They have some idea of end of ideology within them, right? In international relations, you find relevance of end of ideology because relation to international relations is there. End of history thesis, which came in 1991, came because of fall of USSR, right? So end of ideology as a thesis have less marks uh, in the sense of what UPSC is asking, right? But the latent concepts are there, the latent marking, the uh, implicit concept and implicit marks that you see with the end of ideology thesis are there. With explicit and implicit mark, you can expect at least 10 marks in every question paper. So that is there, right? So again, what I mean by implicit is interlinkages with other topic. There are a lot of interlinkages with other topic with end of ideology thesis. Again, there was this essay which came in UPSC in 2018, 2019, I guess, whereby they have asked end of history thesis, right? End of history, end of ideology thesis. They have asked. So yeah, so it is useful. It can get useful in essay as well. So the direct question has been asked on end of ideology thesis and end of history thesis for 250 to 125 marks. So yeah, so this is the importance of it. I'll start with what it means and how do we unfold it, right? This is what we are going to do right now. I hope you will be concentrated and bear this topic with me. I'll start with end of ideology and end of history thesis. I'll start with end of ideology thesis from the next lecture. Thank you so much.